What's up, Hot Wheels and diecast collectors? I got this in the mail today. So I got this box. I ordered it a while ago, and this box was packaged into another box with padding and stuff all over it. And UPS looks like not only did it run over the box, this also like feels damp. And you can see like the cardboard is like delaminating, so it's definitely like gotten wet. So I don't know if they like dropped it in a puddle or what they did, but it's a sealed case. I know I'm a little late to the party with the B case. I've already opened B case cars with the GameStop case, and I've already done the B case video. But like I said, I ordered this a while ago, and so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this. We're gonna see what we get. We're gonna see how bad it is. We're gonna see if there's anything in here. Who knows? I mean, maybe we find a super and it's on a totally trashed card, right? So the super for this case should be the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. So obviously if we do find one and it's on a trashed card, I don't need another loose one. So I'll figure out what we'll do with that. Or maybe it's not, or maybe there's not one in here at all, and maybe it's just a total dud. But I'm gonna open this, and we're gonna see, and especially since that's on the bottom, maybe that's a good thing, because the supers are usually on top, like 95% of the time. But we're gonna go through this case, and I'm gonna go through them just like any other case opening. So, if you haven't seen the B case, here's a B case. So we've got the Road Bandit, we've got the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug, and we've got the Land Speeder. Here is the Street Wiener. This is the regular Treasure Hunt. You can see the Treasure Hunt logo back there behind it, and the card for this one is fine. So that might be worthwhile to somebody. And then the Carbonator, and then there's the Volvo 850 Estate. That's good. There's a Quick Bite. There's the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. That one's pretty popular. There's a Poison Arrow. It's got a little corner, but it's a Poison Arrow, so it's no big deal either. You can see some dented cars over here. There's the 2020 Jaguar F-Type, 32 Ford, and the HW Formula Solar. Here is the Rockin' Santa Sled, Volvo 850 Estate, and a Dodge van on a bent card, so we'll probably turn that into a custom. Plan on doing some custom videos here soon. Toyota Off-Road Truck, Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, and the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. Those are all fine. Here is the regular, the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, so no super in this case. There's two of the tuned twin mill. Here's the Party Wagon, the Nash, and High Roller. Here is Hyperfin, Fig Rig, and HW Warp Speeder. We got some more card issues, but not on anything of significance. Here we go, the Toyota off-road truck, Dodge Power Wagon, and the 68 Mustang. The Cloak and Dagger, the RV there yet, and there's a Porsche Carrera, another one good for a custom. And last for the top is going to be the Carbonator, the 80 El Camino, and the Buns of Steel. Alright, let's see how bad it is in the bottom. We're going to save the best crunch for last. There's a 64 Stingray, the T-Rex Destroyer, and the 2020 Jaguar F-Type. Next, we've got the Triumph TR6, another Corvette Stingray, and the Tanknator. These are all pretty decent shape. Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, so that's would be the ID chase, but that's the A case, so I'm getting a little confused in my mind. It's okay. Heavy Hitcher and the 32 Ford. Here's the Barbie Dream Camper. That card's okay. There's the Cool Combi. That card's okay. And the Hyperfin. Another T-Rex Destroyer. Another Nash. And another 68 Mustang. Here's a Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truno. Card looks in decent shape. Road Bandit, Hot Wheels Ford Connect. The Quad Rod, the Hollinator, and the Mattel Dreammobile. Soft corners, not too bad. I was expecting like some smash there. We might have some carnage coming up. Look at that. This does feel damp, so look, you can see where that's even like coming apart because it got wet. On the rigor mortar, those engines make for good theft. So do those wheels. Two of the Land Rover Defender. Those are in pretty good shape. Those look pretty good. Here comes some more carnage. Look at that. Alright, the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. That card looks fine. Look at this Dodge van. Look at that. And then look at this. The 80 El Camino. That's a cracker for sure. Sucker's toast. That'll be for a custom. We'll customize that one. We'll make something out of it. The 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. One of them, the card is pretty okay, and then this one we got kind of a bad corner up there. Not too bad. Here comes some good. There's another 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Right there. This bottom corner is looking good. Look at that. There's a Party Wagon. It's in good shape. Retroactive with a soft corner. It's not a huge deal. And then here's another Porsche Carrera. And that corner is just... Here's another opener to go into the loose collection. And the last three cards. There's that Arkham Asylum Batmobile. And that guy would have been right there in the thick of it, and he seems to be pretty good. See a little bit, not too bad. He'll flatten out. There's a Zombot and the Aeropod. So, not terrible. No super in this case. But yeah. UPS. That's a shame. Glad this wasn't anything but, you know, that this was just a mainline case, but boy, that's rough. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other unboxing videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.